Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I want to talk to you about XRP. Now XRP has broke down. Now because it has broke down, now what is going to happen? Now I did make a video a long time ago, probably a couple of months ago. I'm not sure now. I have to forget anyway. That this potentially could have been um, an Adam and Eve pattern, right? So obviously that did not play out. That's just the way it goes. Now what is going to happen with XRP now and what is happening? Well, it is looking very weak. There's no question about it. This is a weekly chart here, just so you can get the broad view of XRP and what is happening. Um, it's from this point, it really could go anywhere. Um, it doesn't look like it's bottomed, and if it is, if this bounces, right, if XRP bounces here, I think it's bad for XRP. Because I don't like the chart structure. Now, if we bounce up here and kind of faff about, it's unlikely, the chart structure will be great. You could just see that red moving average will probably come down like that. Price is probably going to reject off that again or whatever and maybe roll back down. It's just not good chart structure. Like this is good chart structure. See the way all these moving averages, let me get this. See the way all these moving averages are dropping down, dropping down, dropping down. They're all together, they're all in a line, they're all good. And then when price gets above them, it's pretty much safely getting above them, so price can move pretty hard. Um, if price gets up, if price bounces here, there's going to be um, a lot of resistance, and it's not clean. The chart above it is not clean. The structure is not clean. We have resistance here. You could say you have resistance up here. There is resistance there's a lot of resistance above, and the chart. I don't think it would go into the cleanest of bull markets. Now, of course, look at XRP. Look what it does every time. So, could there be another failure spike like this? A pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump. Of course, it is a pump and dump coin. That is what it is. You like it or not. That's what XRP has been ever since its inception. Now, what I'm talking about is that I don't think that this would turn into a real bull market because of the structure, is what I'm talking about. Now, how does this turn into a real bull market? I just think it needs time, and you can see that this moving average is moving down here. The 200 moving average is sort of coming something like that. These are a little bit better and coming down here, whatever. It's very rough, but price needs to kind of come down like this, and probably into the end of the year. You can kind of see somewhere around there Christmas, and price could maybe safely get above all these moving averages. If it happens before then, I think it'll be a failed move higher, meaning that it'll be a pump and dump again. It'll be a pump and probably another dump. But if price can maybe, I don't know, even if it drops down, that'd be great. But if it takes us time to have a real bull market, and then around Christmas time, we all know crypto loves to move at Christmas time. If it done that, then around Christmas time, I think there's more of a potential to have a real bull market. Just the way, pardon me, just the way that this was drawn out. See the way this is drawn out? This took a long time, and we thought the bottom was in, but the structure wasn't good. Thought the bottom was in, the structure wasn't good, and then finally. So this is kind of what it is. So they kind of people thought the bottom was in, structure's not good. People thought the bottom was in, structure's not good. People thought the bottom was in, boom, something like that. Um, and the other thing, where is the level? Where are we going to drop down to if we're going to drop, right? Um, I mean, in my eyes, there's only one real level in the chart, and that is right here. And look where I drew this. That was pretty spot on there. Now, Let me just draw this all out. It was the wrong trend line. And I'll even make it a bit thicker just to show the importance of it. Okay, so the level is clean. It's a very clean level, guys, and this is the breakout point. This point here is the point where price broke out. See here? Price broke out here. Price even spiked up into this and rejected right here. Price was support and resistance here. Let me just take that off. No, that's the wrong one. Oh my god, what the hell happened? Sorry guys, I completely messed that up. I was supposed to press this one, and now I've really lost the plot. I might have to do some of this manually because the chart is just gone. Anyway, the level is very clean, guys. Maybe if I've zoomed that in now, you can actually see it better. So you can see here. I'll just take that away. Actually, I can just drag them away. You can see price rejected, 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 rejected. And even here, this was the breakdown area. Price fell down and dropped away, came up, bounced back up, retested, dropped away. Even in here, price broke out and fell back below it. You can see because it was rejecting here and even here and here and here. And then all through its inception, right back at the very start, and it's almost the opening price of XRP. So really, I would probably say that there's right there as well. I think this is the level that everybody needs to be watching, because I mean it's the open price of XRP. This is the weekly chart where XRP opened in its inception, and I think that's going to be a vital price, because you can see on the chart how important it's been throughout its history. Now if I just zoom out here a little bit, I want to wrap this video up here. And we will be trading this, guys. This could happen at any time, really. I mean, if the market is a sharp drop lower, you could get this drop in a matter of a week or 2 weeks. You just don't know. So you need to be really on guard. Now, I'm going to set an alarm right here, right now. I will be trading this in the live trading room if we get down there. And by the way, if you'd like to take the 3-day free trial, if you'd like to join us in there and trade with us, we have a fantastic group of members in there. We're in there every single day, trading the market, improving, and trying to make a killing in this market. We also provide, we have $1 million worth of courses. We also provide buy and sell alerts and stuff. So if you're interested in that, take the 3-day free trial. Now, the last thing I want to point out here is, look at the RSI on a weekly basis. The RSI on a weekly basis is not good. Look at this. I mean, it's in a bear market. Let me move this up. Below the 50 really is in bearish territory, right? You can see all through here, bear market, it's below the 50. Bear market, bear market, bear market, bear market. Now it broke out here, but of course this was a pump and dump. But you can see the first pump took the RSI into bullish territory, and then from here, this retest of the 50 line roughly allowed price to really have that break up, the real break up. And then you can see we drop right back down, and all through here below the 50, reject out the 50, drop down in a bear market. Oh god, pardon me guys, too much pepper. What was it doing now? Okay, and you can see here, guys, everybody thought XRP going to the moon. Look at it, it was struggling to gain strength, and guys, this rounding top just rolled right over. But don't get me wrong, it's showing a lot more promise. Let me go to a daily chart. I want to wrap this up, it's already 9 minutes. We need to look down here and find a bearish divergence. You can see the whole way through in this daily chart, this downtrend is stuck below the 50. We need to see some change in this, and for a bottom out. It's telling me that it's not bottomed yet. Anyway, well, the whole chart is telling me it's not bottomed yet. So that's it, guys. It does look like we need patience on XRP. Unfortunately, you know, it didn't break out before, but I think it's a good thing for XRP. I honestly do think it's a good thing for XRP, and let it have its time and have some patience. If the structure changes, if somehow they come in and pump this and and price gets back above these didn't draw it very well, these levels, then we will reconsider, right? But at this point in time, I think just have patience and let it do its thing. Down here at the 1759, or we'll just call 170 level down here, I think is the buy point on XRP. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to take the 3-day free trial, just click on the link below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.